Ever found yourself juggling a jungle of charging cables just to keep your devices humming? Hang tight, because in the next minute and a half, we're diving into a gadget that's about to revolutionize your tech game. Meet the Rolling Square inCharge X, your new 6-in-1 charging sidekick. This little powerhouse, conveniently hitching a ride on your keychain, is about to make charging chaos a thing of the past. This nifty cable's got all your devices covered, whether you're juicing up an iPhone, Android, or even your laptop. And it does it with an impressive 100W power delivery. Yeah, you heard right. This cable charges beautifully and speedily. Traveling? No problemo. Toss it in your pocket or hook it to your bag. This sleek companion is always ready, tangle-free and sturdy. Talk about durability with style. Need to transfer files? The inCharge X isn't just about power. It's got your data needs covered too, quickly and efficiently. Ready to simplify your life with the convenience of versatility? Click the link in the description, grab your inCharge X, and wave goodbye to cable clutter forever.